Hey friends, it's Wewe here, and today I'm going to be working in my traveler's notebook, and I will take on the sketch from love to scribe on the traveler's notebook challenge. If you are interested in this challenge, please check out the link down below. I'm pulling out some papers and decide to use this Felicity Jane paper because I love the flash colors and I think it matches really well with my picture. I tear down the paper to make textured edges. Tearing paper is a very easy to do and is a quick way to produce great looking result. I usually use it in my project. After finish my background, I'm going to decorate my picture. This flower cut file is designed by myself. I think it works nicely with this page. So I'm going to layer it under my picture. I also fussy cut flowers and stick it behind the picture. So I'm gonna start working in my right side of page. At first, I think I want to stamp my title. I'm going to use alphabet stamp to stand out beautiful. I stamp the title with birthmark ink on black paper and hid emboss the title in white. I want to bring in more colors to my title, so I choose two papers that I want to use. You will see what I layer it, and it kind of turned out pretty nice. For the embellishments, I'm going to fussy cut more flowers from the paper because I really love these flowers. And I think put flowers on both pages can bring everything together. For the finished touch, I want to add some labels, so I stamp labels in black, pink, and green inks. and I add a black one to a left page and a pink and green one to a right page. I think this is a good way to balance the colors of both pages. Hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe and give me the thumbs up. I hope see you soon. Bye bye.